Hey internet, this is a basic calculator to calculate the distance that the thunder has traveled. So let's run it. The code is in the pinned comment. It is also in GitHub. It is in the description. So you enter the temperature. So if you're in the storm, you just enter the temperature at the time of the storm. So let's say 17 degrees Celsius. Alright, let's say it's a 6-second interval between the thunder roars. So you've got 2048.22 meters or 2 kilometers. So let's try a different value. Okay, so let's say 29 degrees at 16 seconds. So now we've got 5,579.04 meters or 5.5 kilometers. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like, subscribe, share with your friends, ring the bell, turn on all notifications. Leave a comment below if this was helpful. Until next time, see ya.